Nearly 24 Nevada teachers went back to school this summer. Funded by Nevada's National Science Foundation EPSCoR Climate Change Project, the teachers spent 2 weeks working with climate change scientists, taking field trips, and exploring Nevada's diverse ecosystems. The goal? To increase their knowledge about climate change and learn some new techniques to take back to their classrooms. UNR grad student Melissa Sladen coordinated the Reno Summer Institute. Nevada State College professor Larry Rudd oversaw the 2-week institute in Las Vegas.
The educational outcomes we're looking for have to do with the application of the material by the teachers in their classrooms. That's really the essential part, is that they take away knowledge and techniques that they can apply directly in the classroom with their students.
This year's essential question is concerned with disturbance regimes, specifically ones that affect our region and are associated with climate change.
Teachers spent time both in and out of the classroom.
This past 2 weeks has been phenomenal. We have been in the classroom 2 days, and every other day we have been out in the field somewhere, and we have had the most amazing scientists.
I've seen 30,000-year-old pack rat middens that show evidence of different kinds of plants that the pack rats have collected over time.
We went out and tracked tortoises with radio telemetry gear.
We've done invasive species. We've been back to DRI, and we got to tour the cave.
We met professionals who were able to explain to us how climate change was affecting various environments, such as rocks and minerals, our mountain environments, our subterranean environments.
We've collected fossils of maple trees in the middle of a desert.
We've been out to Carson, and we've seen where the waterfall fire was and what they're doing to get that vegetation growing back.
When they weren't digging up fossils or collecting water samples, the teachers planned and presented lessons in class.
Actually, I'm intending to do a year-long study with my students where they will be observing mostly plant organisms on our school playground to see how they change over time. The idea is to put that into a bigger context with data across the country and how what our bloom times are and how they're changing over time as a result of changes in global temperature.
Because I think the greatest impact is to take these teachers, give them the information, give them the context, get them out here and really have them, and we dug up fossils last week, or really get their hands dirty, get their brains thinking about this.
The teachers say working with climate change scientists will help them prepare students for the environmental challenges they'll face in the future.
Our natural resources in the state are amazingly huge, and we need to protect a lot of it. I know people drive through Tonopah and think, oh goodness, there's nothing here, but there are, and we need to honor and respect those things for what they are.